Welcome back to my channel Smart Investment. Today I'm going to talk about stock splitting. Yes, you heard it right. I'm talking about Apple and Tesla. So these two companies recently announced that they will be doing a stock splitting. So what does it mean to you if you're holding Apple or Tesla stock? Before I start, just as a standard disclaimer, I'm not a CPA, legal or financial advisor. I'm not responsible for your investment, your profits and loss. This channel is for entertainment and education purpose only. Stock splitting. A stock splitting does exactly what it sounds like. For example, cutting a single banana into multiple pieces with no change to the total value, meaning you will have one banana into multiple pieces, and this is exactly what it means to the stock splitting. Recently, Apple and Tesla announced that they are splitting their stocks. Apple announced a 4-for-1 stock and Tesla announced 5-for-1. Both sounds great, right? Tesla declared on August 11 that they approved a 5-for-1 split of Tesla common stock in form of a stock dividend, and this is to make the stock ownership more accessible to employees and investors. So that means basically whoever is holding a stock on August 21st will receive a dividend of 4 additional shares of common stock. Tesla will distribute the stocks after close of trading on August 28th, and the actual trading will begin on a stock split adjusted basis on August 31st. So meaning that on as of 31st August 31st, the new splitted shares will be traded on Nasdaq or any other exchanges. So who benefits from a stock split? Of course, the company will benefit from this stock splitting because their stock will be more reachable to the small investors, and it will create more liquidity and more demand in the market. Guys, I'm not a TA guy, but I still want to have a quick look at the Tesla chart. You can see Tesla was trading somewhere at 1798 sometime back, and then it went to 1364 as a low, and this is exactly the day when Tesla announced that they will be splitting their stock, and since then the stock is growing higher. You can see the stock was trading 1630 at the time of recording of this video. Once the Tesla stock is splitted into 5, the stock price will be somewhere around $300, and the $300 sounds more reachable. The small investors can get in, and and who knows, from 300 maybe there will be a new trend. The trend will be the same as what we are seeing now. I want to highlight one key thing on this chart. You can see the MACD, and whenever there's a cross between moving averages, something big happens. So sometime back we had a cross and it went uptrend. There was a high of 1798, and then there was another cross, and then from 1798 it went to 1364. So it seems from the chart, from the daily chart, it seems there will be another cross sometime soon, and then who knows, maybe there will be uptrend or down. Let's talk about the Apple stock splitting. So this is not the first time that Apple is doing a stock split. They had done this 4 times since the company went public. Apple did their very first stock split in 1987, and then they had another one in 2000, and then another in 2005. The most recent one was in 2014. So they had a 7-for-1 stock split ratio back in 2014, and that took place in June. This FAQ is from Apple's own website, and they have clearly mentioned the reason why they are doing the stock split. So it is basically to make it more accessible to broader base of investors. If you're holding a Tesla or Apple stock, you will have to remember a few key dates: record date, split date, and X date. For Apple, the record date is August 24th. This date will determine who is entitled to receive additional shares due to the split. The second key date is split date, which is August 28th. This is the date when the actual split will take place. And the third one is X date, which is August 31st. That is the key date when the actual trading of splitted shares will take place. How does a 4-for-1 stock split actually work? So in this example, you can see if you're holding 100 shares of Apple on August 24th, then you will be entitled to get 400 additional shares. Although you are getting 400 shares in total, but the actual value of your shares will not change. The total value will remain same. So instead of paying 400 per share, after the split you will be paying 100 per share. If I look at the Apple trading chart, you can see that the stock was trading somewhere at $356 per share on July 24th, and on June 30th, Apple announced that they will be splitting their shares in a ratio of 4:1, and since that announcement, the share has been going up. So the share was trading somewhere around $461 per share at the time of recording of this video. I'm not a TA guy, but if I look at the MACD and RSI, I can definitely say that there's a potential for this stock to grow. And if after splitting, if the stock is trading somewhere $100 per share, I can definitely see it is more reachable to the small investor. There's more liquidity. Definitely there's a potential for this stock to go up. So guys, who knows, other companies may follow the suit. You can see the Amazon is trading more than 3,000 per share, Google is trading 1,500 per share, Chipotle is more than 1,000 per share. So the price of these shares seems to be too high and is not reachable to small investors. Maybe, who knows, if these companies come out and split their shares, maybe it's more attractive to small investors and so on. So guys, let me know your thoughts. Are you thinking of buying, selling or holding? Right now I do not have any position in Tesla or Apple, but I am considering to open a position before this split happens. If you like this video and the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching.